Hello and welcome to the 30th episode of our weekly Unity tip Roundup, where we take a look at the tweets that were posted or mentioned on or around each Tuesday under the Unity tips hashtag. And here we are, episode 30 of our weekly Unity tip Roundup. Week by week we collect the 5 most interesting tips under the hashtag Unity tip and put them into this video format. We hope that they are interesting for you as they are for us. Maybe you already know, but you can also find all episodes in a playlist. You can find the link below. Thanks for joining us, and let's start this anniversary episode. In this episode we gathered 5 of these tweets that were posted, shared or retweeted around 2nd of August 2022. This anniversary episode we start with Shane. Shane is also in an episode for the first time. 2 nice anniversaries at once. If we see this correctly, Shane programs virtual robots and creates programming environments for children. If we were wrong, please tell us in the comments. Shane brought us and his 2,228 followers a little tip for recording in Unity. If you need to see the cursor in the recording, you should use Force Software Mode Rendering. This can be forgotten from time to time. By now, we have stopped counting how many times Peter from Sunny Valley Studios has been in these episodes. Nice to have you in this episode too. This week, Peter didn't just bring a tip, but an overview of new features of C#9, which Unity has since version 2021.2. Please keep in mind that not every C#9 feature has been included in Unity. Check out his blog for more information. You can find the link in his tweet. Not quite as often, but a few times, Elvis has been in our episodes. He's a designer, programmer, and asset store publisher with close to 700 followers on Twitter. Maybe we can help together and also give him a little anniversary. Then we would already have 3 cool anniversaries in one video. Elvis' tip is relatively short. Use TryGetComponent. That's it. It returns true if the component exists, and you can have a local variable alongside the method. He's absolutely correct, and it also allocates less memory in the case of a false. Oh wow, another small reason to celebrate. With Lake, we have another new face in this video series. Hi Lake and welcome. Lake was lead programmer for Party Crashers, which looks really cool. And her website also has a nice retro vibe aesthetic. She currently has 277 followers on Twitter. Maybe next time we see her, she will have 300? We should wish her luck reaching this milestone. She also brought a small but very helpful tip. If you double click on a shader graph line, you can create anchors. Did you know that? The 5th tip of this week came from Piotr from Poland. He has also been in our Unity tips a couple of times. Piotr has been working on his first puzzle game for quite some time. His Unity tip is not a difficult puzzle, but something you can do in your daily working flow. If you double click in a Unity window, you maximize it. Magic. So you can forget about shift and space. Thanks Piotr. Okay, and we also have a little tip to conclude this episode. A small icon that accompanies us not only in Unity, but also in kind of other programs. Also in the well-known Adobe tools. This little chain icon is used to link 2 values together. You can use it to make them proportional to each other. If you change one value, the other will automatically change in the right proportion. We were made aware that you can't find this feature in older versions of Unity, which is correct. It is a new feature, since 2021 cycle of Unity. Sorry, that info did not fit the character limit of the tweet. One more reason to check our Roundup videos. That was it. Number 30 of our Unity Tips video series. We hope you were able to learn something new. That's what the weekly tips from the many users are for. So thanks for the cool Unity community who makes these episodes possible. Please check out the accounts of this week's Unity tip participants and leave some likes. Or even better, follow them. And while we are on the subject of following, you are also welcome to follow our Twitter account or our YouTube channel. Here you will find all previous Unity tip episodes in a clearly arranged playlist. And if you are already following, feel free to press the notification bell so you won't miss any new episode. We are looking forward to more episodes with you. Keep posting your Unity tips every Tuesday and maybe we will see you here. For any questions, comments, recommendations or requests, please use the comment section. Thank you for your time and see you next week.